If you're in a community where a warehouse is being developed, what rights do you and other members of your community have to fight the warehouse? As an initial matter, it's really important that you and other members of your community group figure out what zoning district you are in, what zoning district the warehouse is in, and how far away the members who are objecting live from where the warehouse is being planned. Warehouses are generally permitted only in certain districts of a township or borough. In most cases, the Supreme Court of Pennsylvania has ruled that every use must be permitted in a township or borough with limited exceptions. This means that a township or a borough can't just say, no warehouses here, we're not doing it. In most cases, they're going to have to provide a place or places where warehouses can be properly built and zoned. There are still things that you and your community group can do to challenge a warehouse or a large project that's being put in place, even if it's being placed in a zone where it's expressly permitted. For example, in putting the warehouse plan together, the developer will have to show that it's not going to negatively impact traffic flow, that the plan is not going to harm the environment, that it's going to comply with all DEP regulations, that's the Department of Environmental Protections. There are a number of outside agreements that typically have to be reached. They have to take care of water and sewer and show that the plan won't negatively impact those systems. They also have to show that their lights are going to be dark sky compliant in many places, or that the sound that's going to be emitted from the location won't cause any problems to wildlife or to neighbors who live nearby. In some cases, they have to show that they've complied with historical rules governing an area. In short, just because a warehouse is permitted in a zone doesn't mean that it has to be built. If you or a community group is looking to challenge a warehouse, it's important to speak with somebody who has experience. At Cornerstone Law Firm, we can help you in challenging development projects and in helping you to understand the process. Call us today for your consultation.